Hello, I'm Samantha Forrest. I'm the creative writing tutor at Stoke Adult Learning Centre. I would just like to take this opportunity to look at what makes a story. To get the story off the ground, we need something to give it a push off, and generally that's a change to a status quo. A change in circumstances can be so radical, such as in The Wizard of Oz, where Dorothy is literally lifted out of one space and life circumstances and then projected out and dropped down into a different place. We therefore have a character. That's the next thing we need, a character who has a motivation. Dorothy's motivation is going to be to get back to where she came from, to her original place of being. And the character and the motivation are going to cause the thread for the story. Of course, with longer stories, you'll have a number of different characters who you may also be following through threads, and they will crisscross and intermingle. What we need, though, in storytelling is to move moment by moment. This is really important to get to showing and not telling, which is so well known. You probably heard it before. It's important to show, not tell. How do we do that? We do that by moving the story forward moment by moment. A very good way of doing this is by creating the space, and we do that through the senses. So we live in a sensory world, and so do our characters and the characters in the books we read. And even though in real life we may not walk down the road with our friend and say, oh, the seagulls are squawking, or the leaves on the silver birch are looking particularly sort of cool spring green today, and we may not talk about the grumbling motorbike sort of sound mingling with the crying of a baby, we are taking it in nonetheless. And we need to bring our reader into this space that the character, just like us in real life, is living within. And we do that fantastically through the senses. This also provides the space to really develop language and to explore our own personal voice. And so in my classes, we look at a lot of ways through a variety of exercises of developing these aspects.